Was that confirmed?
Not yet.
You ready? Yeah, they're staying farther out now. Away from the road. I'm gonna go over to the other side, okay?
I can't turn it off.
Probably lost focus with those logs in front.
No, it's just too bouncy.
The Sandhill cranes left, pretty much. There's some in the cornfield, that's about it. But we got a lot of ducks out there. And there's probably some of those seagull types or whatever they call them. Got my binocular, I could be watching. That day she was down there, out while she was drinking the river water, it was right after that she got worse. So.
Annie! No!
Annie! Annie! Get away from there. Oh, I'm gonna have to get another bath. wonder if they're not poisoning the coyotes out here. They could have got a hold of a little bit of the poison that day. I wouldn't think they would do that. Those big birds up there. I'm hearing a bunch of birds. There's something right there. Maybe a vehicle. Can't tell. It sounds like those birds too. Those what's called birds? Stop bouncing on me.
5% in the area. How you feel?
I can't tell if that's a vehicle or not. Mark.
Well, there's a water tank out there.
Monocular, I think it is. My monocular keeps on shaking. I'm shaking. Yeah, they could, I mean, they got a lot of area they can hang out on now. They might have scattered because they were, because I think Saturday's a hunting day out here.
Yeah.
They might have been hunting out here earlier. You got your radio in there, you know that, don't you? Your police radio? I just heard it. I don't need it locked up. You don't need another thing. You got this one. Don't feel over there before the truck.
The window's down.
Where they're going. Is that already warm enough for them to go somewhere else? But north, certainly not. Unless there's going to be coming up a really cold spell here soon and they want to get out of town. But generally, in February it already starts to warm up somewhat. Still trying to think what I want, what we're going to eat. Guess we'll just go by and get some tacos. Stop by the Thriftway, but the deli doesn't have anything anymore.
Well, they might have something on Saturday.
So, but it's late. Later in the afternoon, they usually don't have much.
Oh, they should.
Good. All right. Maybe stop by there first.
Sandhill 723 units. Sandhill 723 units.
All the things used to be able to see the Right down there.
Central 730, units back. Please on down for a little bit. 305 West Mahone for a burglary alarm. Advised it was zone 3 glass break. Made contact with someone that did not have a password.
305 what? West Mahone.
Not mistaken. We were there yesterday. Not sure that address is right. We did get a call from 302 North 4th from a Michelle Hess that, or Michelle Smith said she was the fiance. That she was there to pick up some of the subject's property. 302 North 4th, apartment 305. 2
What did she do? Take a piss right on the poop? She sniffed it. Then she pissed it. Looks like some more coyote scat. Coyote's been everywhere around here. Let's pick out here. Make sure that Annie don't go rolling in them. Annie, where are you going? Come on. Hey, Annie. Annie.
She can't hear you.
Annie.
She can't hear you.
Annie. Come here. They gotta put her on a leash. Annie. No. Yell at your desk, mister. Some more. Annie, give me your a blue leash. I won't be able to keep it. Which one is this? The big one or the little one or what?
Big one.
Well, that is the big one. Nothing but toilet paper in it. Are you talking about the really outside one? There's too many damn zippers in this thing. Nope. I have no idea. I guess we'll look in this front one. Nope, that's what I already looked at. How many friggin' goddamn zippers you got here? So better do this one. Alright,
I hear somebody coming. You should get the leashes on all of them, because I hear someone coming. Yeah, there they are. Their white truck.
I see the white truck.
Yep, it's coming.
Yeah. Come on, Teddy, get over here. Teddy, no! Teddy, get over here. There's somebody going out there to strip some water or something. I wonder what that's for over there. A pole with some, a little rectangular thing up on top.
I don't know.
Where they put cameras on. I'm hearing them. They're probably not even hunting. They're ripping it up. Just out here messing around probably. Lucky. I don't want to go around the bend. I don't want to get our, where we can't see our truck.
Those Sandhill cranes are getting scared away. Those Sandhill cranes are getting scared away. Probably that loud truck.
Yeah. They're all leaving. Yeah, up on that thing could be a camera or something. that.
Oh, he's coming this way.
Lucky. See if he goes back this other way. You have that recording or is it stopped?